Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to try to set up everything. We're going to try to go do some hog hunting this weekend. It's a charity event for a buddy of mine for a fire department. They're holding a charity and they picked a hog hunt. It's, you know, see who gets the biggest hog and kind of, you know, judge it from there. I'm not sure what all is involved, but I'll give you guys more of an update during the hog hunting video, which is going to be Saturday night. I'll try to post the video that night. If not, it'll be probably sometime Sunday. Right now I'm going through checking the cameras again, just to kind of give us an idea of what time they're traveling through here, putting some corn. So I'm going to hog hunt on this side of the property where we don't have any hog traps here. This is where we've done most of our deer hunting during the season. And there's quite a few pretty good sized boars out here. I'll post some pictures right after this so you guys can see and just go from there. And then we're going to check out the hog traps also, so stay tuned for all that. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you a little bit about kind of how I have this set up as far as where I chose the spot. So I chose a spot on a three-way here. There's a lot of traveling of all kind of wildlife through here. You can see there's an opening through there, and then I have an opening right through there, and I also put a camera right about by that tree right there. So we can see it. I also have a game camera that's hooked up on my phone right here, just to kind of give me an idea of when they're out here, just because I like watching them. And then you have the opening right here. So usually we set up a blind just ahead right there, about 30-40 yards out, and wait them out and go from there. So here it is. All right, so we're getting ready to go to the hog traps and check a few more cameras and see where we're at. I noticed that my game camera on for my phone at the hog trap is actually not working the way it's supposed to, because something's been eating the corn out of the trap, and I don't think it's the raccoons. I've seen a few raccoons on the camera, but then I didn't see anything else. So there's no way those raccoons would have ate that much corn. So we're going to put another camera there and check it again in a few days just to see what we have. All right, hey guys. So I set up traps for raccoons, and we got one. I can't tell if it's a male or a female, but we've caught about 10 of them so far. So I was talking about my last video that I did. Raccoons are really bad for turkeys, and we have a lot of turkeys out here, and we want to keep them for next year. And we want to get them, you know, to have babies and multiply and stuff like that. So raccoons are really bad for that. They'll destroy eggs, nests, chicks, everything. So they're not really good to have around here. So part of the management we're trying to do here is we're trying to eliminate some of these raccoons, so the turkeys have a better chance of survival. There he is. I'm not gonna cook and eat this raccoon. I think my buddy over here is gonna do that. I'm not brave enough to eat a raccoon yet. All right, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about, so inside the trap, you see all the corn we put everywhere, and my camera has not picked up anything over there. You can see that far little bitty tree right back there has got a camera on it. I think I might have it too far, and I don't know, but I ain't seen nothing on that camera to tell me what's been eating the corn. And I got 2 pictures of raccoons, that was it, and I don't think those raccoons can eat all that corn in 2 nights. So we put another camera right down here so we can kind of see what's going on, what comes inside of there, and then it'll give us a better idea of what's been eating the corn. So stay tuned, I'm gonna post a few more pictures after this. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you a little bit about what I try to have set up over here, and then I just found out the camera right there, which was kind of pointing away from the gate. It had an error on it, I didn't notice it, so I didn't take any pictures, so I can't even see what was in front of the gate right now. So I fixed it, but I didn't have no pictures on this camera for the last 2 days, but I'll kind of show you a little bit on how it is. So over here, I got the gate. We got the little raccoon trap that we put over there. I don't think the raccoon trap is really messing with the hogs. I don't really think they care about it, or scares them or nothing. I don't know. But yeah, I haven't been able to see what's been coming over here, and that far camera didn't pick up nothing. So trial and error. We'll try it again and see if we can get a better idea of what's been coming out here. Anyway, that's all I got for today. Thanks guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.